delicious, yummy, tasty Jamaican style curry goat. Come, let me show you how I do this one. To all my supporters and all my channel members, a big thank you. If you're new here, welcome to the family. Hit that red subscription button and put that post notification bell on so you will be notified of future uploads. Silent viewers, big up yourself.
Yeah, my cinnamon. For you hear the voice, you're supposed to know say a chat boss, right? I'm gonna represent for the best cooking channel you don't know. You must say, Sister J. The food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cook me, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like, sister.
Here I have the goat. I'm gonna wash it in vinegar and lime before I start the seasoning. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead and hit that red subscription button. Put that post notification bell on so you will be notified of future upload. Right here in Sister J's kitchen, I do simple recipes. Here, I'm adding some all-purpose seasoning. And now some meat seasoning. Black pepper. Onion powder. Some salt-free seasoning. Here's a rundown of the other stuff I'll be using. Potato, carrot, ginger, garlic, thyme, scallion, hot pepper, pimento, and onion. Now I'm adding a teaspoon of ground ginger. And I'm adding a tablespoon of curry seasoning. It's the paste. And here I'm adding some of my blended green seasoning. Here we have ginger, garlic, scallion, onion, pimento, thyme, and hot pepper. And we're gonna put all this in except for the hot pepper. I'll add the hot pepper later on. Here's the star of the show, the curry. And you can use any curry of your choice. I'm using the Better Pack curry. That's my favorite. So after seasoning the meat overnight and have it marinated, I'm shaking off the seasoning from the meat, and then we're gonna start cooking our curry goat. I'm adding some oil to the pot. And now I'm adding ginger and garlic. Now I'm adding the curry, and we're gonna burn the curry lightly. So now I add the goat to the pot, and we're just gonna mix this up. I'm gonna go ahead and cover the pot and let it spring its own liquid before I start adding water to it. And this is what it looks like after springing its own water. Now we're gonna add some hot water to the pot, and the reason why we're using hot water is so the temperature doesn't break down just continue cooking, because if you put hot water, then it will break the temperature down, and then you have to start all over to bubble up again. So as you can see, pot a bubble, pot a bubble, pot a bubble. Yes. Just mix this up. Curry look good. So here is the seasoning that I shake off earlier. Now I'm adding that hot pepper that I cut up to that seasoning. Now I'm gonna add the seasoning to the pot, and that's after the goat get tender. Yes. So I'm mixing this up in there. So the goat tender right now. So now I'm adding the carrot and the potato. Now it's time to adjust seasoning as needed. I'm adding some more pepper to it. So I'm adding the hot pepper flakes.
Sister J, Caribbean cuisine. Best foods, best foods. Sister J, Caribbean cuisine. We're from that place where cook the best, cook the best.
So the goat
Best
almost ready,
tasty
guys.
recipe of the youth.
And look at my rice and peas over here, so. Google
Sister
rice and
J,
peas.
that place will be full of
And
meat.
this me I go
No
back sit down
spices them
with.
mix. And where the definition of cook food the best. Sister J, Sister J food are the best. So it give a fever.
And there you have it, my beautiful people. Dinner is served. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Just go ahead, man. Do the do. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Live good. Walk good. Pray good. One love. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more delicious recipes from Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine. I'll catch you in the next video.